Today we will learn about a different spelling but same sound of A. A, long sound. A, AI. These are the long sound of A. These all are producing sound A, but their spellings are different. Alphabets are different, but sound is same. We will read these all A. EA is A, EY is A. All are producing same sound like baby, baby, lady, crazy. This long sound is A, lazy, tomato, tomato. Some words with long sound AE. Ham, am, sail, chan, wait, west. Long AY, A. All are producing same sound. A, pay, say, clay, pay, tray, tray, day, day, away, away, bay, bay, say, say. EI, long A, A. These all are producing same sound but spellings are different. Rain, when, neck, way. All are producing a sound. There, when, it, a, EIGH, long A, producing sound A, wet, it, neck, wet, set. Olive, a sound, but spelling different. EF, long A, E, A, tear, tear, bear, bear, stick, 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 great, great, wear, wear, swear, swear. EY, long A, EY, hey, day, gray, obey, obey, convey, convey. Long sounds A. These all are producing long sound A. AI, AY, EI, EIGH, AE, AY. These all are producing same sounds. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube